coming fast!
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Harder, harder. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had.
So hey guys, there we are, doing a bit of spray painting. But yeah, so I decided to start making some videos for Project RGV. Fucking hell, my camera's because of shit. Right, there we go. Yeah, that's better. Right, yeah, so this is my garage, and that is what we're spray painting today. So that's a Speedo drive. Speedo, fucking Jesus Christ, I need practice for this. This is a Speedo bracket, right? So this holds the idiot lights, Speedo, the temperature gauge, everything. It was quite rusty, so I'm doing that. So yeah, this is my paint setup. Fucking professional in this bitch. Yeah. So long story short, I got rid of my clothesline, and yeah, I got nothing else to hang shit from. So this is my setup. But yeah, I'm going to be making some videos soon for Project RGV. I've already done so much fucking shit that I haven't documented, so that'll probably be in like one big video, like 10-minute video of catching up of what I've done so far. So yeah. So you guys are probably thinking, what is Project RGV? What does it look like? How far are we in? Let's show you. So this is how far we are. So we've got string arm, we've got frame, we've got another frame, we've got subframe, we've got a seat unit, we've got tank, we've got fairings, we've got forks, we've got front wheel, we haven't got discs, we've got calipers, we've got spannies, we've got an engine that's in pieces. I took that apart and did some work to it, need to rebuild it. This is my setup basically. So yeah, I set this up back in July, it's October right now. So yeah. This space needs to be vacated for the RS250. That's coming back inside. But yeah, most important thing is the radio. Without that, I'd be so bored in here. And it's fucking freezing right now as well. I need a heater. There's a Dead Daddy long leg. There's my clock from the old RGV disc, which is below minimum thickness. So yeah. Show you what we got. Have we got full coverage? If you see something which is not covered, let me know please. But yeah, looks like we've got pretty much full coverage here. Let's try the other side. Okay, yeah, looking good. I kind of masked off that inside bit. It's just some shit masking, but yeah, basically getting spray paint inside there is difficult. And if I'd scuffed it up and it wasn't all completely painted inside, it would have looked a bit shit. And the paint inside was pretty much perfect, so I just masked it up. I used some old M4 bolts to just plug those holes so that the threads aren't fucked. That one as well. and then that one. I've ordered some new M4 bolts, which I'm going to put, which basically visible over there and there. And yeah, that looks alright.
Bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts down, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm trying yesterday.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
I'm not.
Don't go anywhere.